Thank you for watching this video. I'm doing the Frohawk, starting it off bald, nice blend. I'm showing y'all how to create crispy hairlines. I'm showing y'all how to blend hair fibers into your fades. I'm showing everything in this video. You're going to learn something and you're going to get something out of it. Guaranteed. Let's get into it. Starting my guideline extra low so my blend can be just where I want it. I don't want my blend too high. I just want it right in the middle. Now I'm taking my 1.5. I'm just knocking the bulk off real quick before I go ahead and start with my clippers all the way open and just start my guidelines. Now this technique that I'm using right here is called the raking technique. The raking technique is used to keep your blends dark, but also keep them consistent. Now I already showed y'all 1/2. I'm gonna go ahead and just fast forward through this half, and we're starting off with my Babyliss. They're all the way open. I'm just doing a little bit of cleanup work, making sure everything is good, making sure my fade is consistent. But it's all about taking your time on your fades. As long as you take your time, you'll be good. This is a very important trick that I feel like all barbers should use if you want to avoid pushing people's hairlines back. Now for all my barbers, I feel like for each and every client, they deserve an experience. They deserve a hot towel. They deserve a facial massage. Even if they don't want it, offer it. Even if they deny it, that's fine. You still offering extra services. The more services you have, the more money you can make. But even though it's not about the money, it's just about giving somebody the experience so they can tell someone else to come to your chair. And that's how you expand your business. This product that I'm applying in my client's head It's called foam wrap. Now, this foam wrap is called Red Alert. I'm just massaging the foam wrap into his head in order to coil the hair a lot better. So when I take my glove, it's gonna twist real nice and easy. This twist sponge that I'm using is created by Curl Sponge. They're based out of Atlanta. Thankfully, they created a left-handed glove. Now I'm showing y'all how to work it in. So if you've already lined up one side of your client, but you're uncertain on where the other corner should go, all you have to do is take your comb, start at one point, and ride it right across the forehead. Problem solved. I'm trying to tell y'all, Easy Blade has the best shave gel on the market. Besides Tomb 45, they're neck and neck actually. For right now, I'm using Easy Blade. It's really light and still gets the job done. Like my razor blade just glides so smooth, man. If you want to use the magic pencil, that's fine. I'm a fan of it as well because it gives a certain edge to my haircuts. But please be careful on how heavy you apply the pencil. You don't want to apply it too heavy because your clippers won't be able to smear it all the way out. Now, when I'm applying my enhancements, I like to use a method called the Pancake Method. The Pancake Method is the best way to apply your hair fibers. What is the Pancake Method? All you do, you take your hairspray. The hairspray that I'm using is Paul Mitchell Holding Spray. You spray the hairline first, and then you take your hair fibers, apply the hair fibers, and then you take your holding spray again, spray that same area on top of the hair fibers, and then quickly blow dry it with cold air. Voila. The hair is going to stick in place for at least 1 to 3 days. Guaranteed. Now we are at the end of the video because we're doing our cleanup work. As I said once before, if you apply your pencil correctly, it'll smear right out. You don't have to fight with your clippers, you don't have to fight with the skin, or you don't have to cut the skin at all because that tends to happen sometimes. So for those who like that ash line on their client's forehead, all you're doing, you taking the skin, pulling it real tight, take your razor, and all you're doing is scraping the rest of that residue off the skin. Alright, we're gonna twist the hair up once again to make sure everything is nice and coiled, nice and neat. Yes sir, the lines look good, the haircut look good. It's over, like game 7, ending shot. But nah man, hey, I appreciate y'all. Please, oh, check out that fade. Look at that fade. It is beautiful. Look how everything just came together. Thank you for watching the whole video. Thank you for at least getting to the end of the video to see the end product. I appreciate you. Please go follow me and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any comments, if you have any questions, concerns, please don't be afraid to comment on my channel as well. I do reply back. I'm very social. Please help me help you. Thank you so much. Pancake out.